This kitchen's probably no more than 100 square feet, but it's a really important part of the main floor in such a small footprint. It's a Victorian, but it had that maple, late 90s stamp on it when we came in. Everything was maple, the kitchen, the floors. It just really needed to start again. So that's why we were brought in, really. She just wanted it to feel sophisticated and calm, serene, and also a little bit edgy because our client has a great modern aesthetic that we wanted to play up. Everything is wide open. It really had to feel like a living space because this main floor is not very large. We still gave the front some definition. You need a closet when you first come in. We also needed somewhere to put the fridge. We couldn't just eliminate this other side of the kitchen and go for one long run of cabinetry. So it allowed us to put the closet on one side, the fridge and built-in microwave on the other side, and much needed storage because of course we didn't have a lot of uppers. One thing that our client really wanted was a simple cabinet. She didn't want any hardware on the lowers, so these just have this integrated pull in them, which I think is really sleek and very modern. Of course, you can't talk about this kitchen without talking about this marble. It is Calacatta, but as I like to say to my clients, would you rather spend this amount and come home and like it, or would you rather spend this amount and come home and really love it? I of course can say the latter because I'm not paying for it, but I think you'd agree that it really made such a difference in here. We did want to dress it, so adding a little bit of a shelf was a nice idea because you can not only use it for things like your pepper mill or cutting boards, you can also decorate it, which again, we wanted this to feel like a living space. So being able to put a little bit of art up there, I think that really helped. And these gooby pendants are exactly what we needed. It's really hard to pick one thing that made the biggest difference in here. The floors, of course, made a huge difference. And then the layout and the palette. Just the fact that it's open and it's fresh and it's bright and it's not so heavy and you're not falling over a massive green granite island when you walk in. I mean, all these things put together made for a really successful transformation.